Heavy snow slamming the Northeast. So the National Weather Service is also reporting nearly 20 inches of snow in New York City's Central Park. Look at this. It's hard to even be able to tell. That's the image of what you're seeing right there. This is from a system moving through the region. So on Long Island, some areas top 27 inches of snow. The measurement in Newark, New Jersey, is 27 inches also. So that winter weather now to the north is also having a huge impact in Charlotte. This is looking live here at FlightAware's misery map, and it's been kind of a miserable day for a lot of people at CLT. Tracking the delays and cancellations at the major U.S. airports, there have been around a dozen flights canceled at Charlotte Douglas International since 1 o'clock. So nearly 160 flights have been canceled throughout the day. The biggest impacts, of course, are in New York, D.C., and Boston. So people trying to be able to get to New York and surrounding areas say they just are tired of oh my goodness, of all the different changes, and they've tried every mode of transportation at this point to be able to try and get home. But many are settling into the fact that they'll just be in the Queen City until later on this week. So Queen City News anchor Will Lewis found out for some there's kind of a silver lining to be stranded.
The word on the flight board at Charlotte Douglas International says it all. Canceled.
I came in through a connection to Charlotte, and now I'm leaving. My flight out of here is canceled, and now I'm leaving again tomorrow.
Snow is blanketing the East Coast with more than a foot of snow in New York and Philadelphia. Some say they tried to beat the storm and looked at every possible route.
There was a Charlotte to Asheville, Asheville to Philadelphia, and then I was going to take the Amtrak train from Philadelphia up to New York. You know, I've done every different permutation of transportation by land, sea, and automobile at this point.
Everyone tells me customer service has been great when it comes to rebooking their flights. They also say a good thing, they know people that live here in the Queen City.
There's no direct flight, so everything had to go through something else. So then I was like, let me wait at least to get here first, because I have a friend in Charlotte, so that would make it easier if I was stuck.
So getting stuck means catching up with people who may not have been on the itinerary. While it's still cold, the sun is shining.
There are worse places to get stuck than Charlotte, I'll be honest.
Will Lewis, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.